Good afternoon, everyone. Before we start, let me ask you, when was the last time someone showed you kindness? Maybe a friend helped you or someone just simply smiled at you. Those small moments reminds us how powerful kindness can be. Good afternoon once again and to everyone. Every day, we hear stories of great achievements. People breaking records, inventing new technology, or winning an awards. These are inspiring, but sometimes we forget that one of the greatest power we all carry does not require any fame or medal. It is something simple, something all of us can give at any moment. Kindness. Kindness is often misunderstood as a small or ordinary thing, but it has the ability to change someone's entire day or even their life. Think about the last time when someone offered you a genuine smile, a helping hand, or a few kinds of words when you were feeling down. It may have seemed small to them, but to you, it might have meant the world. In our lives as students, kindness can take many forms. It can be as simple as sharing notes with a classmate who missed a lesson, inviting someone to sit with you at lunch, or offering encouragement to a friend who is nervous before a presentation. It can also mean standing up for someone who is being left out or treated unfairly. These acts might not appear in our report cards, but they leave marks on our hearts, and those marks last far longer than any grade. Kindness also has a ripple effect. A single kind gesture can inspire others to pass it on. If you help someone pick up their books, they might feel encouraged to help someone else. Before you know it, an entire environment of care and respect begins to grow. In a world where negativity and competition often dominate, this ripple of kindness can be revolutionary. But here's something important to remember: kindness is not weakness. Being kind does not mean allowing others to take advantage of you or staying silent when something is wrong. True kindness is rooted in strength. It, take, it takes courage to stay gentle in a world that someone feels harsh. It takes strength to choose patience over anger and understanding over judgment. And kindness is not limited to others. It must also include ourselves. How often do we criticize ourselves for mistakes or feel we are not good enough? Treating ourselves with compassion is just as important as being kind to those around us. Because when we forgive ourselves and embrace who we are, we become more capable of spreading kindness outward. So now, let's challenge ourselves today. Offer a smile to someone who seems lonely. Say thank you to someone who helps you, or simply listen when a friend needs to talk. These small choices create a chain reaction that can brighten not just one day, but many in the end. People may forget what we said or did, but they will always remember how we made them feel. Let us choose to be remembered for our kindness, because a kind heart, no matter how small the gesture, can light up the world. Thank you and good afternoon.